Hello, my name is Jerrod Martin, Parts Director here at Don Jacobs Volkswagen. And I want to share with you one of the new cross sports that we've just got in, and let me tell you, it is fantastic. This particular vehicle has a blackout package that we do at Don Jacobs. This is unique to any Volkswagen dealer in the country, I would say. And it includes a blacked out grille, powder coated wheels, blacked out mirror caps, blacked out window dressings, painted emblems and moldings, and a vehicle wrap for the roof of the vehicle that gives it incredible contrast. Moving to the back of the vehicle, you'll notice the high contrast along with this pure gray paint from Volkswagen, that we have our blacked out emblem and blacked out moldings for the rear as well, along with the bezels on the lower end of the truck. It's an amazing contrast and an amazing look that makes this a unique, one-of-a-kind ride. So come check out our line of customized vehicles at Don Jacobs, or come and test drive this car, or check us out online at donjacobs.com.